We're going to be talking about how to get more networking meetings with absolute strangers using ChatGPT. I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. People hire me for no BS job search advice and coaching globally because I make everything related to job hunting much easier for people. And this is a great little hack. It doesn't involve changing your resume. It involves connecting with someone on LinkedIn more effectively and then meeting them for coffee and being prepared for the meeting. This will work if you're experienced. It'll work if you're a complete rookie graduating from school. And it starts off with find a profile of someone that you're interested in meeting with, and then download the PDF of their profile to your system and bring it into a text file. Then with ChatGPT, the prompt that you use is, I'm an experienced career coach with more than 20 years of experience. Based upon this profile, identify their career accomplishments and top 3 achievements using separate headers. Provide a lot of detail that shows their expertise, and then paste the PDF or the text file derived from the PDF, I should say, into ChatGPT. The next thing is, I'm a job seeker on LinkedIn. She or he receives a lot of connection requests and I want to stand out. Give me at least 3 practical and actionable ideas for getting them to accept a connection request from me. Think step by step. And it will give you ideas for how to connect with this person beyond the simple generic one that they may or may not respond to. Then from there, to meet someone in person or over Zoom or some other way, the prompt that you use is, you're a career coach with more than 20 years of experience, helping people get jobs in fill in the blank, whatever the field is. I have an upcoming meeting with give it the title of the person that you want to meet with, and want their advice about finding a position in whatever it is they do, or getting an entry-level position in whatever it is they do. And then based upon this person's resume, which you'll then copy and paste after you finish this prompt, give me 10 to 15 questions I might ask she or he that will let them know I've done my homework and can stand out from the average Joe or Jane they might meet with. Then paste the resume in, and it's going to give you some ideas of questions that you might ask in the course of a meeting. This is great stuff. I hope you find it helpful. Experiment with it. You'll have to do some edits of the material that you send to this person and the questions that you might receive back. But you're going to take far less time to get organized than you might otherwise. Hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There you can find out about my video courses, books, and guides. Visit the blog. Schedule time to have your questions answered using trusted advisor services. Schedule time for coaching. I've got a lot there to help. Also, connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/The Big Game Hunter. Have a terrific day and be great.